Today, I'm going to share a recipe for cheese and herb muffins. These cheese and herb muffins make for a great option to serve as snacks when you have people over for lunch or dinner. We're going to start this recipe with making some buttermilk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, add 1 cup of milk, give it a stir so the two can mix together and just let it rest now for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to get the dry ingredients ready. We need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm just going to sift the 3 together into a large bowl and just set it aside now. You can see that the milk has curdled and is acidic. I'm just going to put that aside and get the wet ingredients ready now. 2 eggs and add 1/2 cup of the buttermilk substitute. Whisk the eggs and the buttermilk together till they're nice and fluffy. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. Mix these two together to combine. I'm going to chop up the basil. So my basil's all chopped up. Now I'm going to chop up some dill. Now that's all chopped up. I'm just going to quickly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and just fold it together. And now I'm going to fold in the cheese and the herbs. You definitely don't need to overmix or beat it together. Just gentle folds is all it requires. Just added the cheese. Now I'm going to add the herbs. 1/2 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1/2 tablespoon of parsley, and I'm adding 1/2 tablespoon of dried chives, a little bit of marjoram, and a tablespoon of the fresh dill and basil that I had chopped up. Any kind of heavy mixing or anything like that is just going to break up the cheese. There's just no heavy beating required here. You just need to gently fold it all together. If you use any kind of a heavy blender here, you're just going to break up the cheese completely and you don't want that. I'm just going to spoon this batter into this prepared muffin pan. Just fill it about 3/4 of the way. I'm just making sure that the batter is evenly distributed. I don't want to be picking favorites with muffins. Now this is going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until you can put a toothpick in the center muffin and it comes out absolutely clean. The muffins are done baking now, but you have to let them cool completely before you can pull them out of these paper cases. And now for my favorite part of baking these muffins, eating them.